This is AdamB.
Hi, this is AdamB. Hate Windows. I'm filming this on an old iPhone, so I have no idea if this is framed right, if you can see the top of my head or anything. Hi. FedEx has been here. I think I know what's in here. I'm not 100% sure. It is a small cardboard pouch satchel. Ooh, another pull tab. This is a multi-pull tab unpackaging. I say unpackaging, not unboxing, because, well, this is not a box. And I don't know if this qualifies as a box, but, and inside there, it's white. It's white, and it's got, well, we've all seen little apples before, but not on this. Well, guess what I got? Ooh. And a decent interest rate, too. Yeah. Cool. It is a little thicker than most cards. It's titanium. I haven't had any titanium since, no, I never owned a G4 Mac PowerBook. What is on my hands? Yeah. Well, yeah. They're out. If you applied when they first opened it up, you may have yours too. I'm going to have to hold my iPhone. Ooh, let's do that. I'm just going to do this because I'm not like everybody else. You don't need to know everything about me. I don't need to know everything about you. And there. So, yes, I've covered my last name. I have some sense of privacy, if I'm allowed to, if I may. Thank you. Okay, so now it says, to activate your card, it's officially mine. I've dropped it. Nothing is really officially mine until I've dropped it on the floor. Okay, so to activate your card, it says, wake your phone and hold it here. Let's see what happens. I don't know if you can see that. This is not the phone I'm recording on. Wake your phone and hold here. Ooh. Activate. It's even got my name there in tiny little print. My card is ready. Continue. Allow wallet. Always allow, yeah. Yeah, well, the total balance is 0. That's good to see. All right, I'm going to start moving some regular payments around, see if I can earn my 2% on something. I need some sort of income since I got demonetized a long time ago. All right, well, that's all from here. This has been AdamB, getting further and further into debt. See ya. Bye.